It's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I got these Havana or Marley twists, whatever you like to call them, then just keep watching. I've been working on these twists for about 2 hours now, and all I have is this front section left. The hair that I've been using is this Cuban twist hair and a 16-inch. I got 4 packs and this is my 4th pack, so I was pretty much able to do most of my head with the 3 packs that I've opened already. And if this 4th pack isn't enough, I have some extra hair here at the house, so I've been taking 3 strands per twist. So let me just show you guys what I've been doing. So I lost some footage, but all I did was cover that part with some Eco Styler gel. Then I split the section into 2 equal halves, and I'm going to take the Marley hair and put it right in the middle of my 2 strands of my natural hair. Alright, twisting the front section in towards my base. So in towards my base, then crossing this back section under, and I'm going to do the same thing. Twist in towards my base until that I feel that it's snug and secure, and then I just start twisting all the way down. Here's a replay of that twisting action. All right, twisting the front section in towards my base. So in towards my base, then crossing this back section under, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Twist in towards my base until that I feel that it's snug and secure, and then I just start twisting all the way down. And while you're twisting this base, it may start to twist on you and it'll cause tension and it'll hurt. So just take a clip and stick that up there to keep it steady, and then twist all the way down. And I'm twisting pretty tightly just to make sure that I can keep my real hair in there. Remember to keep twisting the strands as you work your way down the twist, and you can use gel as you go to make sure that your natural hair stays blended with the Marley hair. So I have 2 twists left and I only have 1 strand of the Cuban twist hair left, so I'm going to use this Jamaican Twist Braid hair. I'm gonna use this Jamaican Twist Braid here. Okay, so this is the Jamaican Twist Braid and this is the Cuban Twist. So if you're not going for a jumbo style, I recommend the Jamaican Twist Braid hair. This Cuban twist hair is rough and it's hard to work with and it's very drying, but this is so small. It would take like 4 or 5 to get the twist the size that I have, where I only needed 3 of these, so we're being cost efficient. So I'm just gonna mix these 2 together and finish these last 2 twists. Okay, so I'm finally done braiding, and now I have to do something about these bushy ends because that's not cute. You can just dip your hair in boiling hot water, but I think I want to curl my ends, so I'm gonna use these perm rods to roll the ends of my hair before I dip it. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get done. I'm not even gonna attempt to try to record it because I'm not really sure how I would set that up and I don't wanna burn myself, but just gonna roll the ends of the hair, dip it in the boiling hot water. You don't have to do it long, 15-20 seconds. Let your hair completely dry on the roller and remove them. But I'll be back probably after I dip them, so y'all can see me take my rollers down. So let's start rolling because I'm ready to be done with this. So I'm back. I'm just gonna take these rollers off real quick because I'm actually on the way out. And see, this is how the curls turned out. It's not gonna be like real ringlets because I rolled it really loose and I put multiple braids per rollers. Just something to seal the ends really. It's still a little wet, but like I said, I'm on my way out, so I don't really have time to wait any longer. And for people who care about this kind of thing, let me count. So I have 25 or 26 braids. I think I lost count, but 25 to 26 braids. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with somebody, and I will see you guys in my next one. Chat with me down below. Let me know what kind of looks you would like to see on my channel next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.